My name is Dennis Hom. I teach small engine repair, and I also teach intro to welding here at Oak Ridge High School. What tools we use? We use every hand tool, metric, standard. We use plasma cutters. We use torque wrenches, impact guns, soldering guns. We do a little bit of electrical, wiring. We pretty much use every tool that's out there. Why should students be in my class? Well, I think everybody should at least try it to get a little bit of hands-on tools, a little knowledge on the vehicles that they're going to use, the gas, the air, how it works, how a thing rolls, the bearings, the wheels, the tires, the air pressure. There's a lot of, lawnmowers. We do a lot of lawnmower repair, and someone's going to own a house one day and have to cut the grass. Students enjoy this class. It's fun. I try to make it fun. We spend a lot of time in the shop working on stuff. Safety is very important. I try to make that priority from day one. I stress it, the glasses, your hands. We work with a lot of hazardous chemicals, fire, a lot of heavy equipment. You can get hurt if a jack's not right or a stand. It could be dangerous, but we try to keep it safe. Well, I wouldn't say what's the worst thing. The worst thing that happened here is I hurt myself. I cut my arm with a mirror that broke. That's probably the worst thing. As far as students, everybody gets a little bit of cut, everybody gets a burn, but nothing major, knock on wood. What got me into teaching? Well, I started out here at CISD in the maintenance department. I'm actually an electrician and HVAC technician, or that's what I do, and I fabricate and build cars at home. What motivates me to teach? I guess coming in here and watching the expression on people's faces, the students, when they learn something and excited about things that they've never touched before. If I could change what I teach here at Oak Ridge High School, I would like to do fabrication, like not only how to build these things, work on them, but how to build them from the ground up. Take raw metal and build your own mini bike or build your own car. That's what I'd like to do, fabrication, metal fabrication. If I have anything to say to the school in general, it would be wake up on time, show up early, and enjoy what you're doing, and just don't find a job, find a career.
Go ahead and give these kids a round of applause.